Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into some fascinating updates that are stirring the drone industry and sparking conversations around the DJI Mini 5 Pro. From legislative hurdles and mysterious sightings to cutting-edge technological developments, the world of drones is buzzing with activity. Let's unpack everything you need to know. Ongoing legislative battles, the future of Chinese-made drones. The Countering Chinese Communist Party Drone Act is a proposed law that has been the subject of intense congressional debate in recent months. The act's initial goal was to completely prohibit drones manufactured in China, including those produced by well-known companies like DJI and Autel, from entering the U.S. market. Nevertheless, the National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, did not include the act's final version. Although this is a relief, it highlights the continued conflicts between the usage of foreign-made technologies and national security. Businesses and pilots from all throughout the U.S. have been advocating against this planned law. A complete prohibition would have far-reaching effects and force businesses to look for other options. For example, DJI has increased its PR efforts to reassure users about privacy and data security. However, the National Security Agency, NSA, will be tasked with evaluating the possible threats posed by drones manufactured in China as part of a new measure that the House of Representatives is scheduled to vote on. Next year, the results might rekindle this discussion. Mysterious drone sightings in New Jersey. Additionally, a strange drone phenomenon has spread to New Jersey. Large, unidentified drones have been spotted flying at night by locals. They describe everything from swarms that follow Coast Guard boats to drones the size of vehicles. Although some people hypothesize that these sightings might be related to marketing gimmicks or mapping initiatives, the ambiguity has increased public anxiety. In order to prohibit drone flights until the matter is settled, State Senator John Brck has proposed establishing a temporary state of emergency. Authorities insist that there is no immediate threat from the drones, but every fresh sighting has simply added to the mystery. Could more stringent drone laws be the result of these incidents? Time will tell. DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks and speculations. Amid these controversies, a new DJI drone has sparked excitement, the rumored Mini 5 Pro. Leaked images suggest that this drone could feature LiDAR technology, a game-changer for low-light obstacle avoidance. The addition of vented motors hints at improved heat dissipation, while the compact design aligns with DJI's popular Mini series. If the Mini 5 Pro indeed comes equipped with LiDAR, it would mark a significant leap for budget-friendly drones, a feature previously seen only on the Air 3S. This innovation could set a new benchmark for semi-professional drones, making advanced technology more accessible. Enthusiasts are already speculating about what else DJI might bring to the table with this model. Historical context. The evolution of the DJI Mini series. Since its debut in 2019, the DJI Mini series has become synonymous with high-quality, compact drones. The Mini 4 Pro, released just months ago, remains a favorite among hobbyists and professionals alike. Its user-friendly features and stellar performance make it one of the best micro-drones available today. However, DJI's rapid innovation cycle often leaves customers wondering if they should hold out for the next big thing. The Mini 5 Pro, rumored to launch in late 2025, promises to be worth the wait. In the meantime, Mini 4 Pro users can rest assured that they've made a solid investment in a reliable and versatile drone. The risks of unregulated drone use. In a separate incident, a Chinese national was recently arrested for flying a DJI Mavic 2 drone over restricted airspace near a Space Force base. The pilot bypassed DJI's no-fly zone restrictions to capture images of a Falcon 9 rocket launch. This breach underscores the importance of adhering to aviation regulations. Violating airspace laws can lead to severe consequences, including hefty fines and imprisonment. Such incidents highlight the need for stricter enforcement and public education. Whether you're flying for recreation or commercial purposes, understanding the legal framework is crucial to ensure safe and responsible drone operation. Groundbreaking innovation. Celestial navigation for drones. On the brighter side, researchers at the University of South Australia have unveiled a groundbreaking navigation system for drones. This technology uses celestial navigation, relying on star patterns instead of GPS. The result? A lighter, cost-effective solution is immune to GPS jamming and ideal for remote applications. This innovation has the potential to revolutionize drone navigation, particularly in military and exploration contexts. While it's unlikely to feature in consumer models like the Mini series anytime soon, it's exciting to see advancements that push the boundaries of what drones can achieve. What's next for the DJI Mini 5 Pro? As we await official announcements, the question remains, what features would make the Mini 5 Pro a must-have upgrade? Enhanced flight time, superior obstacle avoidance, and advanced imaging capabilities are high on the wish list for many users. Additionally, incorporating LiDAR and vented motors could solidify its position as a leader in the micro-drone segment. For now, DJI enthusiasts can continue to enjoy their current models while keeping an eye on future developments. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a newcomer, the Mini series offers something for everyone. Closing thoughts. The drone industry is at a crossroads, balancing innovation with regulatory challenges. From legislative debates to technological breakthroughs, each development shapes the future of this dynamic field. As always, we'll keep you updated on the latest news and trends.